Welcome back to AR Gossips. This story begins with a chance encounter between Faye and Yoko, setting the stage for something beautiful. The scene is filled with uncertainty and excitement as the two meet for the first time. Whether it's a random run in at a coffee shop, a chance encounter at an art gallery, or a mix up at a mutual friend's party, there's an undeniable spark in the air. In the initial awkward moments, you can almost hear their hearts racing, but neither can ignore the pull they feel towards one another. The setting is unique, an environment that adds an element of surprise, making their first meeting feel like fate. As they exchange shy glances and tentative words, it's clear that this was no ordinary first meeting. There's something more at play here. Early days of courtship. As the story progresses, we see Faye and Yoko embark on their first few dates. These moments are simple but meaningful, with shared activities that gradually pull them closer together. Perhaps they bond over a love of art, music, or even an adventurous hike in nature. With each new date, we see the early stages of affection blooming between them. Those subtle touches, shared laughter, and knowing glances that say so much without words. As they discover the little quirks, the passion that make them who they are, their bond grows. These moments are filled with joy, curiosity, and the pure excitement of discovering each other, and we witness the first sign of love blooming. A milestone moment. A pivotal moment in their journey comes when Faye and Yoko share an unforgettable experience together. Perhaps it's a quiet evening under the stars, a trip to a destination they have always dreamed of, or simply a moment of vulnerability where they share their deepest thoughts. The background music swells with emotions as the camera focuses on the tender exchange of glances, the smile that say more than words could ever capture. This moment is a turning point, a milestone that deepens their connection and gives them a shared memory to look back on forever. It represents the depth of their love and the foundation upon which their relationship is built. Facing challenges together. As every relationship faces its hurdle, Faye and Yoko are no different. We see them navigating through challenges that test their bond, whether it's an external obstacle like distance or an internal challenge like overcoming misunderstandings. But through it all, their love doesn't falter, instead, it grows stronger. With every setback, they support each other, showing just how deeply they care for one another. Through difficult conversations, late night talks, and moments of self reflection, they learn to communicate better, be patient, and lean on each other. The beauty of their relationship lies in how they evolve together, overcoming adversity and emerging even more connected than before. A love that endures. Finally, we see Faye and Yoko in the present day, their love a testament to the journey they have traveled together. Now they stand side by side, stronger than ever. Proof that love, when nurtured, can endure. Their smiles are full of warmth and their connection is palpable as they share a quiet moment together. The deep commitment they have made to one another, the kind of love that is built not only on moments of happiness but on shared struggles, growth, and understanding. As the video draws to close, we are reminded of the timeless nature of true love. This message is clear. Cherish every moment, love with all your heart, and know that the bond you share with someone special can withstand the test of time. Subscribe for more amazing videos.